Afternoon, dear children. I welcome you all to another session of EVS interactive class. In our last session, we had discussed about chirp of birds, in which we had discussed various sounds of the birds and had done detail about it. And in today's session, we will discuss about nests of birds. Now the question arises, what is nest? A nest is a place where a bird lays its eggs, or a bird's home is called a nest. Or we can say a nest is a structure built for certain animals to hold eggs, young ones, and often the animal itself. Although nests are commonly closely associated with birds. Now let's talk about the composition of nests. Means nests are made of what material and where are they found? So children, nests are composed of materials such as twigs, grass, feathers, cotton, fiber, wool, straw and leaves. Or it may be a simple depression in the ground. It's a cup-shaped depression in the ground, or a hole in a rock or tree or building, or human materials such as strings, plastics, cloths, paper may also be used for making nests. Nests can be found in all type of habitats, means they are found in all type of places. Here you can see different type of nests of different birds. Now the question is, why do birds make nests? Children, birds build different types of nests and raise their young ones differently. The nest is built for the purpose of laying eggs. While some types of birds leave their nest once the young ones have hatched, means once their young ones came out of the eggs and they started flying, they leave their nest. While in some other types of bird, they raise their families in it year after year. The nests help to protect their eggs or the young ones from enemies and bad weather. So in nutshell, the primary function of nest is to provide a suitable location for parents to lay their eggs and to raise their young ones, to protect them from enemies and bad weather conditions. Now let's discuss about the nests of different type of birds. First we will talk about tailor bird. Tailor bird get the name from the way their nest is constructed. As the name suggests, it builds or it constructs its nest the way tailor stitches the cloths. The edge of a large leaf are pierced and sewn together with plant fiber or spider web to make cradle, in which the actual grass nest is built. So tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to stitch two leaves to make its nests. The stitch is made by piercing two leaves and drawing fiber through them. It looks like a deep cup or cradle. You can see nest of tailor bird. Just look how it is made using different leaves.